Hi guys, welcome! Take some time to subscribe and click on the notification bell icon to see our future content as soon as it's uploaded. Give us a like and enjoy the video. Hello guys, and welcome to a new Zenbox video. Today we are unboxing yet another smartphone by Xiaomi. More specifically, Redmi Note 8 Pro. So without any more delay, let's get on with it, shall we? The front side of the box shows us the image of the device we are about to check out, and the Mi logo is also present. The left hand side is minimalistic with only the device's name and the seal. The bottom portion of the top lid has nothing. The right hand side is as minimalistic as the left one. There's not much of any interest here. In general, I like this. The top portion of the lid has all sorts of interesting stuff, like device's name, some basic specifications, the color, the serial number, and stuff like that. And we come to the first interesting part, this tiny little white cardboard box. Let's move everything else to the side so we can check it out. There's nothing special about its appearance, so let's just open it up. First thing is this tiny SIM tray removal tool. It comes in handy, I can tell you that. Next thing in order is the documentation. I find this to be pretty important. First, we are going to check out the user's guide in English. This is where you can find all of the information on how to properly use the device, and all of the details about it. Next is this warranty card. This comes in handy if the device is faulty and has issues. Make sure to hold on to it and not to throw it away. The final part of the documentation is the illustrated leaflet. It basically shows you everything the English user guide does. This one is in my native language, Croatian. I'm not sure, but this may vary on the region or the country you are from, and it may or may not be included. Let's fold it back up and check out the rest, shall we? And the final piece of this portion comes in this transparent silky smooth baggie. And this is something Xiaomi includes with most of their phones. It's a silicone protective case for the phone. It's very soft and bendy, and it will provide you with sufficient enough protection. Let's move all of this to the side and check out the next bit. The main part is first, the device itself. It's wrapped in a similar type of baggie like the protective case. But we move it to the side for now and check out the rest of the stuff. Under this thin cover we'll find some more common accessories that pretty much come included with every phone. First of which is this white USB cable. I won't unravel this as there is no need for it. If you ever saw a USB cable, this is about the same. One end terminates in a USB Type-A connector and the other is a new reversible Type-C connector. This cable is used for charging as well as for the data transfers. This tiny little thing is what you call a charger. This one is European style, and it varies on the region. This is the USB port where the cable plugs in. This one supports fast charging. It gives us around 50% of the charge in about half an hour. And that would be everything in regards of the documentations and the included accessories. I'll just check out the box and make sure I've not missed anything. I would like if Xiaomi would include even the basic pair of earphones to make the accessories complete. Let's move it all to the side and check out what we are all here for, the phone. So, like I mentioned earlier, the phone also comes in this kind of silky looking baggie, and it's quite easy to extract it from. First thing you can see is this gorgeous screen with a protective film over it showing us some basic specifications. On the back we can see this gorgeous looking blue casing. I really dig it. Here you can also see an array of 4 cameras, a flashlight and a pretty fast and accurate fingerprint sensor. The left hand side has a single port. This one stores SIM and a memory card, or dual SIMs, depending on your needs. The right hand side has a volume rocker, same as on Redmi Note 8T, which we checked earlier, as well as power and lock buttons. Both are very clicky and feel nice. On the top there is only a microphone. The bottom portion of the phone has a single speaker, and that is one of my gripes lately. I would rather see 2 speakers. One here and one on the top. There is also a single USB Type-C port and a single 3.5mm audio jack for the earphones. And now for the screen. This is a highly reflective screen. More specifically, 6.53-inch 1080p IPS LCD screen with Corning Gorilla Glass 5 protection built in. While checking it out, let's turn it on and check some of the phone's features. I skipped the initial boot as it takes a while, so we continue from the first step of the setup. I've shown this part in a few other different videos, so I won't cover this in detail. I'll just do the essential parts and skip everything else to get it to the start screen. This may take a while, but not too long. The unlocking is pretty easy and it can be done in multiple ways. But for the purpose of this video, we are just using the unlock button. The navigation through the basic menu is easy, smooth. I've not noticed any lag or any delays. Let's see what we can find in the settings about the device. Well, that's about what we'd expect. There is the device's name, the operating system version, and things like that. I won't cover everything as some sensitive information can be revealed. Let's check out the camera app for a bit. It seems the clarity is pretty decent and the app itself is solid. Not too different from all other models, like 8T we mentioned earlier. Guess you don't fix what ain't broke, right? And this would be all for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, toss us a like, share the video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. See ya soon. Zenbox out.